How you doing, folks? I'm Trenius Henderson. You're tuning into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I have an ancient Egyptian secret on how to manifest money using the angel numbers 1111. How many of you see 1111 all the time? Like whether it's on a tag, whether you're riding down the highway, on the street signs, on your phone. How many of you see 1111 a lot? If you see it, confirm that you see 1111 right now by pressing thumbs up and like on this video. Now, y'all got to listen to these steps now. I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to be able to manifest money using ancient Egyptian secrets, folks. Now, see, the ancient Egyptians, they knew all about this stuff that we are just now relearning in the Aquarius age, aka occult knowledge. Occult means secret knowledge. That's all it means, And so the ancient Egyptians, folks, they knew how to do all of this stuff that we are trying to learn how to do. We're just uncovering the secrets and the secret techniques on how to manifest things. You know why? Because we're living in an Aquarius age right now. So the reason why you're seeing 1111 is because it represents resetting, a fresh new start. If you keep seeing 1111 all the time, folks, this really means that you just keep leveling up. You keep leveling up. You keep breaking through and becoming a more self-developed person. You keep improving. You keep embarking on new truths. You keep becoming a better person. You're doing good. You're in perfect alignment when you see 1111, folks. This is what we call an angel number, a repeating number. And so a lot of people ask me, what does it really mean? Ultimately, what it means is that you're on a divine path. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to switch it up a little bit. Now, this works. But what I need you to do after you follow these techniques in this video, after you did everything in this video that I've told you to do, after this video, I'm going to need you to connect with source, whether that's praying, whether that's meditating, going somewhere quiet. I need you to connect with source, and I need you to say, get connected with source and say, this is what I want to manifest. The reason why I want to manifest this money is because I want to do this with it, and I want to do that with it, and I want to do this with it. See, that's the thing you got to realize about the universe, folks. It will not give you anything that you want, like money, if it's not a necessity. So you have to know what you're going to need the money for, what you're going to do with the money once you get it, and you must take that up with the infinite intelligence after this video to see to it that you are granted the money that you are about to receive. Okay, so what we're gonna do, folks, is for every time that you unintentionally see 1111. Now, this won't work if you be trying to wait 10:30 and 10:45 and then 11 o'clock and then you be looking at the clock like you be looking at the clock and you looking at the clock and you looking at the clock. It ain't gonna work like that, folks. Let's keep it real. Let's let the infinite intelligence, the divine nature of the universe, intuitively, instinctively make us see 1111 like we normally see it, okay? So once again, make sure you press thumbs up if you see 1111. First things first, okay? So now what you're going to do every time you see 1111, instead of just knowing that you're on the divine path, instead of just knowing that this is a gateway to the other side of you're leveling up, we're going to attach a number to it. So this is what you're going to do. Every time you see 1111, you're going to remind yourself, because it's going to be in your the whole objective is putting it in our subconscious mind, folks, so that we can subconsciously, indirectly think about the money that we want to attract every time we see the number 1111. So for instance, if I just saw 1111 all of a sudden right now, I would say I have received $50,000. I have received $50,000 every time I see 1111. You see what I'm saying? So what you're going to do is, once again, you got to write it out. So I need you to write in the comment section how much money you are willing to receive. Now remember, you got to go connect with the universe and source and infinite intelligence and tell exactly what you're going to do with all this money once you plug it into your subconscious mind and you attract it into your reality. Okay, so I'm going to write mine at the bottom. I received $50,000. The reason why we're going to say I received, because we got to impregnate our subconscious mind that we have already received it. Now, the universe knows we have not received it yet. But if we continuously plug it in our subconscious mind, then it's going to manifest in our everyday reality at the proper time, at divine timing, to see to it that what we believe that we've already received, we have. You see what I'm saying? So at the bottom, comment below, folks, how much money you want. But make sure you put I received $50,000 or however much money you want in the comment section. Comment that, write that down there right now, write it in stone. So once again, if you didn't understand what I just said, folks, this is the ancient Egyptian technique that we're going to use right here. We're going to attach a number to the 1111. So every time you see 1111 on a random day, you know, when you're just doing you, when you intuitively are prompt to look at 1111, you see that number, you're going to always be reminded that you are receiving, or you have received such and such amount of cash. Okay? You have received such and such amount of cash. Okay? So that's what the number is going to remind you of now when you see it. Now, it gets even deeper, because what you can do is you can use it with 222, 333. Now you can plug your own things into the numbers now. So every time you see the numbers, it gets into your subconscious mind more and more. I received $50,000. Oh, that means I received $50,000. Yes, I received $50,000. You keep doing it, you keep doing it. Eventually, it's going to get so deep into your subconscious mind, you're going to be enough forgot that you even received $50,000. And the next thing you know, somebody going to be cutting you a check. Some type of money finds you, folks, especially when you're in the frequency of it. You know what I'm saying? So this is a really cool technique. If you're going to do this technique, folks, comment below. Leave your money below. Write it out. What you gonna get? How much money you received? Make sure you say I received. Some of y'all be writing stuff down there that don't be having nothing to do with what I'm talking about. Make sure you write I received such and such amount of cash. Okay, that's very important. So we confirmed it. We wrote it, and after this video, connect with Source, folks, and tell the infinite intelligence what you want to do with the cash and what do you need it for, versus why do you want it. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Room Network. If you want to watch another video, folks, just make sure you subscribe below this video and click the subscribe button beside my name, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be updated with new videos every 24 hours. Check out some of my other videos too, folks. I got a whole lot, over 1,050. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.